Imagine waking up every morning with a renewed sense of energy and clarity. And it's all thanks to one simple habit, let me explain. After 30 days of incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you'll start to notice some amazing changes in your body. Researchers say that this consistent practice can lead to improved digestion, and my friend who's tried it swears by the gelatin trick for its ability to help her drop that heavy feeling after meals. As the gelatin trick becomes a part of your daily ritual, you'll find that your body starts to respond in wonderful ways. Your skin looks clearer, your joints feel more supple, and you wake up without the bloat. People who have tried the gelatin trick for 30 days report feeling more vibrant and alive. And it's easy to see why this simple habit can have a profound impact on your overall health and well-being. If you're curious to learn more about how to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine, check out the link in my description below for a comprehensive guide to getting started. For a sneak peek into the daily lives of people who have successfully incorporated the gelatin trick, take a look at the pinned comment below. It's full of inspiring stories and helpful tips to keep you on track.